Oh shit. Alright, Ray, you got it. Hopefully. Oh shit. Like stick camera angles and stuff?
Do it.
Do what? Do what? Where?
Just like smear it on the
When?
back.
Why? How?
Just grab it.
Oh, just grab some shit? Oh shit. This shit is mine. Oh. Alright, kid, ready?
Yeah.
Let's fucking go. Oh, I put way too much.
And I get so mad.
Do you hear the conversation they're having?
It's so smelly.
Like the expensive shit down, and he's like, no.
Oh, shit on Eddie. You can't smell.
Eddie, come here.
No, fuck you.
Eddie, we need your not smell powers.
I can smell chemicals, and it's shitty.
Oh, that's true.
Deadass.
Oh, what a fucking.
Yeah. Like deodorant chemicals and that stuff.
Yeah, it tilts me.
Oh shit, it's camera.
Wait, Eddie, get over here and smell it. I want to see if you can fucking
Here,
smell
get
it.
this.
Lick it. Just do not lick it.
Oh, right.
Just
Come on, your hair everywhere.
Oh fuck.
Ray, you're dripping it.
Yeah, you're dripping it all over the place.
Alright. Getting dripped.
Can you smell it, Eddie?
I can't get like these sides. You see this like
Can you
side
smell
shit?
it?
Where?
Like these?
That's fine. That's
Little
fine.
bit.
That's
That's
gonna
fine.
get shaved off anyway. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna shave it
Not
off?
really.
You're shaving it again?
Actually, that was a lie. I can't
Oh,
smell
that's
it.
pretty dope. Alright, is it my good now, or do I just keep putting
Oh,
it
now
on?
we're all in here. This is exactly what Ray didn't
Oh,
want.
you fucked it. You fucked yourself.
No, I can smell it.
Eddie, you can smell it? What does it smell like?
I don't know.
Strawberries?
No, I can't describe the smell. It's
It
like
doesn't
an
smell like
innate,
strawberry sauce either, don't
It
worry.
smells kind of Swedish though.
Wait, what? No, it doesn't.
Like
just smells like
floral.
chemicals.
It smells floral.
How?
I don't know. I have a weird sense of smell.
Bro, your hair's gonna turn out
Definitely
like
not as weird as Eddie's.
It can't be as weird as Eddie's. He has an enlarged olfactory nerve.
Large olfactory nerve?
Enlarged, apparently.
It's
Really?
not enlarged.
Isn't that what you said? What is it then?
Inflated.
Inflated? I'm so sorry I got it wrong.
Yeah, what the fuck?
massage.
Yeah, who the fuck are you?
I should
my
totally
hands
know
are
all
like-
these things, right,
Are they getting
Abdul?
stained?
I don't know. I don't know if this is stain or not.
Your lack of smell.
It probably is stained.
Should I wash it?
I guess.
I don't know yet.
Not gonna lie, Ray, your bed looks mad.
Can we just dump it on you?
No!
I don't really care if my hands get stained for how long would it get stained for?
Probably like 2 days.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't give a shit.
Well, it's not
I
like...
just show up to my first class. I shake my teacher's hand and he's like, "What the fuck is this?"
Just my gingivitis.
Just
Never
killed me.
Yeah.
Purple rain? Whoa.
Chocolate ring.
It smells like chemically, but sweet.
I don't think it's sweet.
Well, sweet's not the right word. It's like...
Pungent.
If I picture sweet
Oh, it's
things.
like a
Like, I
nice
see
color.
sweet things.
I don't know.
I think it's kawaii desu.
It's kawaii desu.
Okay, wait, let me wash my hands.
Oh, okay. Let me wash my hands.
I know, that's kind of
Ray, you have like a blob just in the
Oh,
back.
here.
Ray, you have a blob in the back of your head. Just like
Yeah.
Drew, look at the back of Ray's head.
Oh wait, where?
Fix it.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Fix it!
Where?
Right there, right there,
You
right
done
there.
it?
Right
Oh
there.
shit. Oh,
You'll get out!
did I get it out?
Yeah, yeah. You got it out pretty well.
Yeah, it's definitely not. Oh shit.
So weird.
Wait, which one's the soap one? Like this?
No!
Oh, I did that last time.
Fuck you.
I fucked up.
That one's the face wash, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that would make sense.
Okay, they're not.
Oh, is it off?
Yeah, it's fine.
At least my hands are brown, so it doesn't matter. And it's not racist at all.
Drew, smile at the camera.
Why would I want to smile at my own camera?
Because it's your video?
No, it's all good. It's a fake real video.
My foot. Ray, your forehead is like stained too.
It's fine. My bangs cover it
Don't we
anyways.
have to put the wrap on your head now?
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah, because you're just going to walk around and it's going to not exist.
Ooh, my head is feeling itchy.
Do not touch it.
That's not good,
That's fine.
I think.
Okay.
I think it's good enough.
I fucked it. Hold on.
Did you fuck up?
No. That'll be good.
I'll look for a lab, but I don't know if you-
This is tiring.
Wait, how long?
Drew, do you want the camera now?
Wait, what time is it now, Natalie?
It's been like 5 minutes
I can do
almost.
the camera
No, but like, what time is it?
I don't know. Eddie, what time
Ray.
is it? 10:40.
10:40. We're good.
now. Beautiful. You got it all by yourself, hopefully.
Here, get the back. Like here. Like
Back?
the back part.
Oh, and just like put it over?
Yeah, or like, yeah.
Dude, this is some prime YouTube content.
Oh, stop.
Oh, what? What did I do wrong?
Why are you patting his head like that, you dumbass?
It was to make sure that it was all padded in.
Oh, dude, this could be like a hair dye review.
Yeah, hair dye review. Everybody, this is how to in style. Yeah. This is how you make the primest timest. If you want to hire me for doing your own hair, don't.
Barehanded.
Barehanded almost stained my hands. Okay, good.
Fucking badass.